super fat, like me. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com. So I was contacted by this company, SuperFat, to test out their product. I'm not being paid for this video. They did send me the product. So this is supposed to be individual fat bombs that you can carry in your purse, in your backpack, in your briefcase, in your lunchbox, whatever you take, in your pocket, hiking. It's supposed to help fuel you because it's got a lot of very, very good fat and other items in it. So I'm going to look at each one individually and see how they taste. Now I'm going to tell you something first. They range in calories from 240 to 300 calories. Let's try the first one. Ed, come on in and taste this with me. All right, this is Coco Coconut. Here you go. I'll take the same one. Coco Coconut. I don't know if you shake them or push them. Oh, well, this one's kind of thick-ish. So let me move over so Ed can see this. The camera as well. So you see, you can tear it open, or you can open it. So Ed, let's open ours and give it a taste. You can see what's.
Well, aren't you supposed to knead it first?
I think so. Oh yeah, I guess you probably have to knead it. So you want to mix the oils. So, all right. So I've kneaded that one. All right. You ready? I guess you squeeze it up. You can see if I squeeze it up, comes on, give it a taste. It's not sweet. It tastes like chocolate coconut is what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like much else other than plain chocolate coconut. Yeah, it's not sweet, and that's good because, you know, the sweeteners I use, I don't always like them. So this one is 200 grams plant fats, 3 net carbs, and 5 grams of protein, and it's 240 calories.
It kind of reminds me of like natural peanut butter a little bit.
Yeah, it does. Not bad. Okay. Coco Coconut. Let's see, the next one is Macadamia Coconut.
What, is everything coconut?
I don't think so, but probably because coconut's a good fat. So I'm going to mash this up like this. Macadamia Coconut. Now this one has 27 grams plant fats, 3 grams net carbs, and 6 grams protein. It's 270 calories a pouch. Macadamia Coconut. All right, so I'm going to open this one. Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, that's a lot more loose.
This one is loose. This one is very loose. So this one, I guess, is one that you drink. I did notice some of them are drinking one. This is a drinking one.
Oh, this has also got almond, macadamia, almond, and cocoa butter.
Now this is interesting. I don't like macadamia nuts. I love coconut.
I hate coconut.
I like this one a lot better. The macadamia coconut, actually. This one's really good. I like it. It's looser, which I prefer. It's easier to get out. All right, let's see what next. There you go. This one is coffee plus MCT, which is a good oil, as you know. This has 20 grams plant fats, 5 grams net carbs, and 8 grams of protein. So I'm going to knead this one up.
And it's almond and macadamia nut butter.
Right.
It's coffee flavored.
Yeah. So we like coffee, so this should be interesting. A coffee nut butter. All right, I'm going to open it.
It feels a little thicker.
What did you think of this one? Pretty good, right? The macadamia?
It was okay. Yeah, it was pretty good. I liked it better than the Coco Coconut.
Yeah, I did too. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. Well, you know what? I'm also not a fan of chocolate, so this was quite chocolatey. So that's probably why I like this one. Okay. Boy, these are not easy to open. All right, is this liquidy?
Yeah,
Is that good? Let's see.
it's strong. Like our espresso in the morning.
Whoa. This is like a shot of espresso. So that's really interesting too. Coffee plus MCT. All right. Let's see what's coming next. 2 more left. This one is just called protein.
Super fuel.
The protein has almond and macadamia nut butter. So I'm sure I'm going to like this one.
I dropped it.
21 grams of plant fats, 4 net carbs, 9 grams of protein. So I'm going to mush this around. All right, here we go. Open it up.
It says,
okay, so
put fat to work.
Put fat to work, right.
It says it down in here. Put fat to work.
Oh.
Right down in there. I don't think you can see it, but it says right in there, put fat to work.
I have a lot of fat to put to work, and I've been doing it.
I got some too.
I've actually lost 9 pounds in 10 days, so. All right, so this is one, it's just called protein. Here we go. Oh, this one's good. This one's good. Protein. And we have one more. Before
it's a little sweet too.
Is it sweet
to
you?
Little sweet taste, yeah.
Before I show you the last one, I want to read this off the box. It says it's made out of plant fats, no sugar added, certified vegan, and certified keto. So you can see that. Okay. So the last one, here you go.
Oh.
Macadamia nut, MCT, and probiotics. This one has 31 grams of plant fats, 3 grams of net carbs, and 3 grams of protein. Now this one's looser, so this must be a drinky one.
Yeah. You still have to knead them though, because I think that...
This one shakes up a little bit too. Oh yeah, put fat to work.
What, do you think I was making that up?
No. Alright, open this up. Okay. Yeah, it's a drinky one. It's a thick drinky one.
Drinky.
Yeah, drinky, like a shake kind of.
The drinky. Actually, you can suck it out of the thing.
You can suck it, but I don't want to suck on camera. Ha! Did you get that? You know what? I like it. When I first got this, I looked at this and I thought, I don't think I'm going to like any of them. So I'm kind of shocked. I like them all. Well, I like them all except for the Coco Coconut. But you can buy individual ones. So here's the 5 flavors.
It leaves your mouth feeling like you just ate peanut butter though, you know? You know
it doesn't. I love peanut butter. So this is pretty good. So I'm going to post below my affiliate link and tell you where you can get these. I'm not sure the cost of them. I don't remember. I don't think they're cheap. Of course, keto stuff's not cheap. I'm thinking it's about 10 of them for maybe $30 maybe less. I don't know. I just don't remember. So again, it's SuperFat. Put your fat to work. I'm Jill. That said, follow our blog at thisoldgal.com. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram at thisoldgalcooks. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.